how to create Namecheap email for your domain 2023. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video, we are going to be talking in detail about how you are going to create Namecheap email for your domain in the easiest way. So what you're going to do is you're going to basically just come over to your Namecheap. You're going to go on domains over here. And once you're over here, just search any domain that you want to go with. Let's say I want to go with this domain, and you're going to click on search. And once you click on search, obviously you're going to go with the proper domain name that you're going to want to go with. So let's say you have domains over here. So you can choose this domain, and once you've added it to your cart, you can also go into your hosting. And once you go into your hosting, you can find the plans for your hosting, and obviously for your hosting, it's going to give you a business email, and here it is, email hosting. So we're going to go with that. And once you go with email hosting, choose whatever, plan you want to go with. Once you've done that, it's going to give you a proper email to build, trust, and customize. And once you do that, you can go to any email provider. Let's say I'm going to go to gmail.com. Okay, in gmail.com setting, all you're going to do is you're going to come over here. Okay, you're going to make sure you're with the proper account. You're going to go over to your settings, and once you've gone over to your settings, basically from there, click on see all settings. Once you click on see all settings, from there you're just going to make sure to go ahead into your basic advanced settings over here, and in your advanced settings you're going to make sure that you have the proper auto dynamic domain section on. And once you have all that on, yeah, basically it's going to be pretty simple and pretty easy. So you can also import different mails and contacts, and once you do that, you can connect other domains into this. So yeah, basically that is how you can add domain or create a Namecheap email for your domain in 2023. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.